Hey guys, so I want to share one more awesome product with you, our Deluxe cooking blender. I love this product. It is super powerful, but there are two super awesome features. First of all, it actually cooks. So you can make like a soup or a jam in here, literally start to finish. There's a heating element down here in the bottom. The other thing, and I know this is always a struggle for a lot of people. Gosh, this is a hard lime. Oh my goodness. But it cleans itself, you guys. I am on my tiptoes trying to squish this lime. Dang. So two super awesome features. I'm not giving up on this. And it is one of the only electrical products besides my espresso machine that gets a spot on my cupboard all the time because I use it literally every single day. So you can see I'm putting a bunch of stuff in here, was just struggling with that lime. I really, and not just because it's New Year's, but I really enjoy like a fruit and spinach smoothie. I also put kale in it if I have it, which I'm ripping up here. Because first of all, I have a huge sweet tooth. So I really love that I can still get like that sweet, sugary fix. But it's a little healthier for me because it's natural sugars from fruit, of course. And because it's super satisfying, like especially in the summer, you know, have a nice fruit smoothie. But I can also add our enrichables into it, which helps me feel, again, a little bit better about myself, you know, besides the fact that I'm already drinking some spinach and kale. But you guys, these are literally just extra nutrients that you can easily add into your meals. And then the pea protein, I mean, it's protein, right? So it's gonna help you feel full for longer. So, you know, I work from home, I'm home most days, so it's super easy for me to be able to whip up something like this for lunch. But we also, of course, because Pampered Chef thinks of everything, have an awesome attachment. So there's a smoothie cup, so you can make stuff like this in the mornings for breakfast and take it with you. And I'm gonna put a huge chunk of frozen smoothie from a previous smoothie in there too to get rid of it. So I love this tool, just like our rest of our electrical products. It comes with a really awesome cooking guide with directions. And you guys, there's literally over 60 recipes in here. So, oh my gosh, this nacho cheese sauce is one of my favorites. Smoothies, shakes, nut butters, soups, sauces, jams. You guys can do alternative milks. You can grind your own flour. You know, like even little things. You can grind coffee beans. You know what I mean? Plus, it can cook your entire meal for you and also clean itself when it's done. So super amazing. I love this product. And the enrichables. You guys, these are really great too, especially like if you have kiddos that are picky eaters. Or maybe, you know, you have an adult in your family that's a picky eater. These are super easy to mix in. Obviously, the blender is going to mix it right in together. But these go into sauces and, you know, like batters and stuff really easily. There's different size pouches. You can do a one-time purchase, or you can also do a subscription for them, so they'll ship when you need them to. Obviously shelf stable and super easy to travel with as well. So, hope you guys enjoy. I'm about to have myself a smoothie.